Tallest married couple, Sun Ming Ming and his wife, Zuzan. Zuzan. Am I saying that right? X-U-Y-A-N. It sounds like I'm saying Susan.
Mm-hmm.
The Chinese version, Suzanne.
The Chinese version.
Well, I'm just, how do you say that? You say it.
Yeah, that's probably the English.
You say it. Or Mo say it. Go ahead.
I'm not even looking at
X-U-Y-A-N.
Not happening.
Oh, come on, man. Attempt it. Somebody has to read it. X-U-Y-A-N. Say it.
I don't know, dude.
Just try it.
The Zhu Yan?
Okay, see?
What?
See? You could have helped out earlier, Will.
You were saying Susan.
I was saying Suzanne.
What's going on?
But why was I saying, I mean, it's Yan. It's Yan. It's a Y.
Yeah, it's not an X there.
Su Yan. Oh, but it could be Su Yan. Or is it Shu Yan?
I think it's...
Or Zhu Yan.
Yeah, I don't know.
You're
Maybe
not,
someone
you're not willing to commit to it. Anyway, this is the tallest married couple. They have a combined height of 13 feet, 10.72 inches. The pair measure 7'9" and 6'17". So she's not like crazy huge. I mean, she's big, 6'1", but he's enormous, obviously. Wow, that elevator is short. If she's only 6'1", no?
Yeah, it feels short.
Mm-hmm.
Did I get that wrong?
How tall is that other person?
Did I hope I didn't get this wrong here. She is 6'1", 7'4", so she's almost 6'2". Okay. So they got the record now, and if they have kids,
they're gonna be basketball.
Is that
players.
how that works?
Yeah, that's exactly how it works.
That's how it works, right? So
yeah, you nailed it.
Their kids are bigger than both of them. Maybe.
We'll say the average.
Maybe. Well, it's a wait and see, but I don't know that there's a necessarily an always rule to that, but a high percentage chance that there's a big kid getting involved here.
What is this photo shoot? Are they going on vacation here?
Maybe the Guinness World Record put them up in a hotel.
Guinness World Record was like, hey, if we're going to do an article, we're going to need some, because, you know, they used to do the book in the old days.
Right.
They need some relatable life photos, you know?
I like how he's ringing the bell. She's right there, dude.
Like, I'm just wondering how big those shorts are.
Yeah.
Like, that's a big pair of shorts.
Yeah.
A guy like you could go swimming in those shorts. Oh. Tallest couple ever. Look at that.